Introducing our Asset Management and Powerline Management Analysis platform, a unified digital intelligence layer for modern infrastructure. Engineered for power utilities and renewable energy ecosystems, the platform seamlessly integrates LiDAR data, high-density point clouds, orthomosaics, contours, and elevation models, DSM and DTM. Measure power line to ground clearances with survey-grade accuracy. Plan networks, expansions, and safety corridors with confidence. Capture precise dimensions of buildings, yards, and construction zones, enabling smarter design and faster decision-making. Every asset is digitally mapped, connected, and traceable. Reference to SOAR-S-aligned geodetic control under the Survey of India network, ensuring accuracy you can trust. From planning to performance, this is how infrastructure becomes intelligent, measurable, and future-ready.